I'm starting by prepping my skin, and I am using the oil not only on my skin but also on my lips, and I think it's a great way to nourish and prep your lips. Then I am using the Blur Perfect Primer, especially on my T-zone where I get oily. And then I am using the Lakme Naturale CC Cream in the shade Bronze, and I'm applying that all over my face. This is a great product. I wish it just came with more shades. Next, to do my eyes, I am using the QUARTET in Tanjore Rush. I'm using the bronze shade all over my crease first, and then followed by the gold shade onto the inner corner and the center. Next, I'm using the KOHL in black to tight line and to draw a very simple winged eyeliner, and then use the smudger on the back to kind of smudge it and give it that lived-in effect. And then to complete the look, I am using the EYECONIC curling mascara both on my top and bottom lashes. So for my lipstick, I'm going to use two colors from Matte Ultimate Lipstick. I'm using the shade Rouge Splash first, and I'm applying it all over my lips. Followed by using the shade Sinful Cherry, which is a reddish color, and I'm using this onto the outer corner of my lips. And lastly, to finish the look and to add in a little bit of color onto my cheek, I'm using the Lip and Cheek Mousse in the shade Rose Touch. And that's it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what brand you would want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!